Hey everyone, Mike DiDonato here from Fiamma Canada, and today we're going to be running a cappuccino clean on the Jura D6. What you're going to need to complete this process: the Jura milk cleaning tablets, and you have two options here. You can use the standard Jura milk cleaning container, or if you don't have one of those, you can use two separate receptacles. To start the process, you're going to click and hold the P button and turn the dial until you find the rinse option. Click select and then turn the dial until you find M clean. Click select on this and you're going to initialize the process. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your Jura cleaning container, issue one dispense shot of the milk tabs into it with a bit of warm water and allow it to dissolve. Once it says dissolved, connect the tube and click start. Once the process starts, it'll ask you to open the tap. When you open the tap, it'll begin the process and it'll start pulling the solution through the tube, through the foamer, and putting it into the second chamber. Once this is complete, it'll say close dial. You then close the tap. The machine will now ask you for clean water. You're going to take that container, bring it to the sink, give it a quick rinse, fill it up with fresh water, reconnect the tube, and then open the tap again. Once it says close tap, you've now completed the clean the milk system process on the Jura D6. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram at Fiamma_Canada and on our website www.fiamma.ca for all your cleaning and maintenance product needs.